Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, May the 5th. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of US dollar Swiss. This is a 45 minutes chart. Now today we're going to be focusing more on the shorter cycle here, because in the long term I think the longer cycle still has a couple of possibilities, but at least in the shorter cycle it looks pretty clear. So we ended with 1 and with 2 right here, right? So that means we are in the wave 3 lower, and within the wave 3 we subdivided into 5 waves. This one looks impulsive, so this one ended with 1 of 3, and then we are calling with 2 of 3 completed here, right? So then we are now looking for the downside within the wave 3. Now I think just focusing on the shorter cycle is pretty simple. As long as we stay below 0.9, we should at least see another leg down to break below this previous wave 1 here. Now of course in the shorter cycle, let's take a look at a couple of possibilities here. Now as long as we have not broken below wave 1 yet, right, which we have not right now, we could of course do what we call a double correction like this, which is a bigger 3 swings before going down. So that's possibility, or alternate number 1, right? However, still doesn't change the idea. As long as we stay below 0.9, we are looking for a break below this low here eventually. Okay, now we are calling this wave 2 completed, which is the more aggressive view, because there is no reason to call for a double when the sequence is looking for more downside. We always call the most aggressive view in the direction of the sequence, right? Now in the shorter cycle, you can also see a clear 3ish rally here, right? This is very clear. This is not an impulse. This is a 3 waves. So this by itself is already giving you a hint that the right side is lower, right? Because if this is bullish, it would have been an impulsive rally to the upside in a 5 waves. But the fact that this is a clear 3 waves here, this is telling you this is a bearish market still, and it wants to break below this low again eventually, right? Now again, for now we are calling wave 2 completed. But again, we still need to break below wave 1 to completely roll out a double correction or double zigzag. Now in terms of the target on the downside, assuming we break down below 1, then you can measure the extension like this, and you're going to be looking at potential target. If it goes to a full 100%, it can go to 0.8717. Now before reaching 100%, typically it will get some sort of support at the 61.8 to 76.4 extension. So 87.80, 87.58 is going to be in the more near-term target on the downside, and then the 100% is the potential target on the downside minimum, by the way, because if it is a wave 3, it can go to even 1.618 extension and so on, but usually minimum should be around 100%, which is 87.17 here. Alright, so that's the update for today, and if you want to get more updates on Forex, commodities, indices, stocks and so on, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice weekend everyone.